Hello class. Now let us discuss why Joule's heat appear across the resistor R when current is passed through it. Means we are trying to understand the cause of Joule's heating effect. Now think of a conductor in which I current is flowing. The resistance of the conductor is R. The potential difference across this resistance is V, and the current is flowing for time t seconds. Then if Q charge, Q is equal to current into time. If Q charge is flowing through the resistance and the potential difference which is maintained by the cell across the resistance is V, then from electrostatics recall, the W is equal to Q into V. This is from the definition of potential, electric potential. Electric potential is electric energy per coulomb charge. V is equal to W upon Q. So from V is equal to W upon Q, we get this relation W is equal to Q into V. So the energy which will appear when Q charge is flowing through the resistance R and the V potential difference is maintained across R resistance, the energy which will appear across this resistance W will be equal to Q into V. Now we know that Q is equal to IT. Charge is equal to current flowing into time for which it is flowing. Then if you replace Q by IT, then W is equal to ITV, that is VIT. This is the first result. Then if we replace V by IR from Ohm's law, V by IR from Ohm's law, then IT into IR, then it becomes W is equal to I square RT. This is the second result. And if we, in the previous relation IVT VIT, if we replace the I from Ohm's law V upon R and keep others intact, then it is nothing but V upon R small t into V. So it will be V square upon R into T. So this is the third relation. So now let us try to understand in detail what is the cause. So when in our resistor, suppose R, potential difference B is maintained, plus minus, current is flowing through it, I, suppose I current is flowing, then what is happening? The potential difference is applied by the battery P on this resistor. So what will happen? The electron will accelerate because potential difference will apply force on free electrons and the electrons will be accelerated. So if electrons are acceleration, they get acceleration, they are accelerated, then the kinetic energy of the electrons increase. In nutshell, if potential difference is applied across a resistance, the free electron inside the conductor or resistor, they acquire kinetic energy from the battery. But free electrons move with constant drift velocity, Vd. Inside a conductor, we also know when the current is flowing, the electron drift opposite to the current with a constant velocity. But here we are talking about increase in kinetic energy, means velocity is increasing. So these are two controversial statements. Means something is there. So in order to maintain the velocity constant, the kinetic energy gained by the electrons convert into heat energy. So this is the cause of Joule's heat. Hope you would have understood.